To expand the storage of your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra, then here's how to connect a USB device to them. Now you can use any USB device. For me, I'll use this particular flash drive, which has both the traditional USB end and the USB-C end as well. So if you're using this side of the traditional USB, then you require a dongle like this one. This is an OTG adapter, USB-C to traditional USB adapter, which you can connect your USB drive to like that, and then simply connect the other end into the device like that. And now you can simply go into the My Files app or the file manager and simply start transferring devices, or transferring files rather, from the phone to the flash drive, and from the flash drive or the USB device to the phone. Same applies for the USB-C end. If you have the more modern USB devices like this that have the USB-C end, simply plug them in just like that. And once they are detected, just like that, you can do the same process. That's basically how to connect USB devices to your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.